So here's where you start the generator. Hold down the prime for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then once that's done, hold down the start. And then release when it's done. And now down here is the inverter switch. Push that to turn it on. Once the generator and the inverter switch are both on, click the power button on this panel to power up your rooftop AC. The second click, it turns on. While you are driving the vehicle, to power on the refrigerator and heat the tank, make sure the inverter switch is on, and then flip the switch. And then turn off the refrigerator and tank heat switches. To fill up the freshwater tank, first unscrew this lid, and then take your freshwater hose and hold this in place here and turn on the water and fill it until it begins to overflow, and that's how you know it's full. So once the water tank has been filled, to operate the bathroom sink, first turn on the sink and go over to the pump switch over here and turn it on. To check the water levels in each of the tanks, just hold down the button of the tank that you want to check. To power on the bathroom vent fan, push this red button here, and then it'll power on. And do the same to power it off. To empty the gray water tank, pull out the hose. This end connects onto here. And this end goes in your waste area, and then you pull this lever, and the water comes out. When you're done, just push that back in and twist this out. Alright, if you need to jump start your vehicle, open this battery box, pull this yellow lever, and then you can jump it off these nodes right here. And then when you're all set, just push in the yellow lever and slide it back into place. For the shore power cord hookup, you're going to use this end and line up that little metal bar with that one in there. And then just do a little quarter turn to lock it. It's a double locking system. You twist this one all the way on, and then you come down here and you plug this end into your wall mount. Located up here is the awning in and out switch. This is powered by the chassis battery. So to put the awning out, hold down the out switch until it is fully extended. And to retract the awning, hold down the awning in button until it is fully receded back into the vehicle. Next to the awning switch is the light switch. Just click that to turn them on, click down to turn them off. To operate the wheelchair lift, first make sure that the key is at least in the auxiliary position or the vehicle is on, and then make sure that the parking brake is on in position, and then navigate to the switch right here that says wheelchair lift. Click that on. So once the vehicle have had the parking brake engaged and the wheelchair lift switch has been activated, you can navigate to the back of the bus where the wheelchair lift is located. Turn on this power switch, which can remain on. And once you see that these lights are on, that's how you know that there's power to the lift. And now to operate it, just grab this little remote here. And then first you unfold to get it level with the ground. I'm still holding unfold. And once it comes to a stop, hold the down switch on the remote until it reaches the ground and the front panel kicks out. And now to retract it back inside of the bus, first hold the up button and remain holding until it has come to a stop. Once it's stopped, begin holding the fold button. And that is how you operate your wheelchair lift.